Hey friends, how's it going? Just wanted to show you what we're having for dinner. We've got this amazing Epicure package of butter chicken mix. We actually recently at my party, I got the 3-week mix of all these different kinds of meals. So it's made it super easy to plan dinner these days, which is wonderful. I'm modifying it a little bit. As you can see, we've got some whipping cream, which is leftover from Christmas that needs to be used up. Some homemade canned crushed tomatoes, paneer, which is Brad's favorite. And we've got these beautiful onions cooking. So one tip that I wanted to share with you is that one of the keys to making really delicious East Indian food is having browned onions. Instead of just sauteing them until they're translucent, you want to see that nice color on them. It just brings such a nice richness to the flavor, and it's going to make your dish that much better. Anyways, I've got to keep cooking here, so I'll leave you to it.